Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I prepare this chicken stir fry vegetable. If you want to see how I prepare this, please just watch to the end. And here are all the ingredients: chicken, tomatoes, carrots, green bell pepper, onion, scotch bonnet and garlic, salt, seasoning and curry powder, thyme, black pepper, vegetable oil. So let's proceed to the cooking. As you can see here, I'm just pouring in the chopped chicken into my pot. And I'll be adding a little salt, seasoning and curry powder. I'll be adding in a little bit of chopped garlic. I'll be adding in my black pepper, thyme, and stir together. Then cover to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, it's already cooked. I'm just gonna give a stir to prevent burning and cover again for extra 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, it's time for you to take the chicken down. Right now, I'm pouring in the vegetable oil into the pot and fry the chicken until it turns to golden brown. Right now, I'll be pouring in the chopped garlic and scotch bonnet pepper and fried together. It's time for me to pour in the chopped onion and stir all together. After the onions is fried for about 20 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my chopped carrot, green bell pepper, tomatoes, and the rest of the ingredients and cover to cook for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can go ahead and pour in your fried chicken. And then this is the final look of this delicious chicken stir fry. Just give it a try and you enjoyed it. You can enjoy this stir fry with rice, with yam, with plantain, but I enjoy eating mine with rice. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.